Happy holidays, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Well, same channel, new brand. I have decided to relaunch and rebrand myself from Charming K Fashion to Charming K Styles. I did this because I really wanted to start to broaden my horizons and what I talk about and my interests and what I'm going to show you all. So I felt like this was the perfect time to do it. And I mean, what better time than the Christmas season? Last year I did the 25 days of Christmas. It was a lot. It took a lot out of me. I wasn't prepared to do it properly, but I still wanted to try it and try doing 25 straight days. It took a lot out of me, but we got through it. And I told myself that I would be more prepared this year, and if I wasn't, I wouldn't do it. Turns out I wasn't. I'm even worse off. So I decided to, instead of taking on such a overload, I would instead do the 12 days of Christmas, like the song. So this time I will be showing you all my favorite brands, products, businesses, items, everything that I think would be a great idea for a guy in your life. If this is your first time on this channel, make sure you guys are giving this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are also subscribed and hitting that bell because I will be dropping videos all week till Christmas for the next 12 days. Our first day of the 12 days of Christmas is kind of for the ravers and hippies. This one I decided to do 2 items because they kind of blended together and I was really excited about. One of them is from a small business, and you all know as an entrepreneur, I love a small business. But I've always spoken about having a statement piece, something that really hits your aesthetic really well. This year, I came into one of the most amazing artists in New York City. She owns a business called Medusa's Metals. It's so dope. You reach out to her on her Etsy, Facebook, or Instagram, and she already has amazing wire wraps with amazing stones, or a customized one. This is my labradorite Tree of Life wire wrap. This is the labradorite. Just take a look at this and tell me that this isn't beautiful. Now, it came in a very nice little box, and it comes with the metal chain. This is what I love. I have gotten these before and they give you that leather chain, and I despise those so much. And her prices are based on what you're gonna get. Most of hers that are pre-made, set price with shipping, very simple. Mine was a little bit more because I had mine customized. I wanted mine to be a different size. I wanted it to be, I wanted to make sure mine was for me. But I'm gonna post some examples up here so you all can see her work. But I knew that when I got this, I wanted to show you all. And I believe that especially in the world of ravers, hippies, festival goers, a lot of the companies and brands are mom and pop shops, are entrepreneurs who are just trying to get their names out there. If I could give anyone their flowers this year, it would be Medusa's Metal. I will be also linking her Instagram, her Facebook, and her Etsy page at the bottom of this video. Go check her out, show her some love, let her know that Charming sent you all, because I just want her to know that she did such an amazing job. Like I said, she's from upstate New York, a really dope brand. I do want to be that person who have different wraps, so I do see myself buying more over time, but I will say this is my everyday statement piece. And I can tell you that I don't go a day without somebody saying something about this. So guys, go check out Medusa's Metals and let me know what you all think, all right? Next up is something that I was ecstatic about when I got. If you are a raver, or you are with a raver, or you have a raver in your family, he is going to be obsessed with this. Now, this is also for those who just like trippy things, A lot of people get these purely because they're dope and they like to have them around their house. The Hypercube Nano. Have you all seen this before? I'm about to blow your mind with this. Like I said, this is for those who love to rave, go to festivals, who just love dope, unique things. This was one of the coolest things I ever saw. Hypercube Nano is one of 3 sizes, but I'm gonna explain to you why specifically I went with this one. So check this out. So I call it the Infinity Cube because, I mean, look at it. From all sides, it literally looks like it goes on forever. It comes with this little button that allows you to change it up, but it also syncs with an app. And with the app, you can change the design, you can change the color schemes, you can customize this to look as dope as you want it to look and go with any aesthetic that you want. Now, if you are just a person that finds this to be cool, it comes with a little stand for you to just keep propped up for anyone to see. So like just a little stand, nothing crazy for it. And a lot of people keep this on their desk, on their tables. Now, you also have options to get attachments to it. Now, the power stand you charge, and when you charge it, it gives you up to 12 hours of power to your cube when you connect it. Now, that's what this is. This is the power stand. Now, this is extra. It does not come with it. You have to purchase it separately, but it's worth it if you don't want to have cords everywhere, but it's also worth it for something else. This right here. Now, I'm sure you guys are probably like, what the heck is this? Come on, guys. Who goes to festivals? What could this stick possibly be? A totem. That's right. It's a staff. You can turn this into a legit staff totem while you're at festivals, while you're at raves. I could not handle it. Now, I did just go to Apocalypse Zombieland, and unfortunately, I didn't have the staff in enough time. They were out of stock. Wasn't a huge deal. The company was amazing. Hyperspace made sure that my cube got to me in enough time just so I can take it with me to enjoy it at the festival I went to. And guys, when I say this brought so much joy there, so many people stopping me, it was such a good conversation piece that it allowed for me to like really talk to people and have people come up to me. It was so much fun. You all know that when you're at a rave or you're at festivals, there's nothing like being social. And this is what helps you with that. So I'm gonna show you all what all of this looks like together because this was it. I mean, look at it. The design just consistently changes, and that's just because I have it on random because I don't want to pull out the app. It's a whole big thing. But the app lets you be way more creative. But just by itself, it's from, like it's a cube, so it's from all angles. Look at this. This is sick. This is what it's all about. Like, this is intense. I was so sad that I did not have this for the festival, but I was able to rig it up on myself so that I would not have an issue with it at all. But this is what it's for. Now, like I said, each of these pieces are their own thing. They had a good Black Friday deal. They still have it going on, by the way. That's 30% off. So you could get the entire thing as a bundle. This will be going with me to every festival, every rave. 2025, this is going to be in my hand at least once a month. I can tell you that now. This is going with me everywhere. I saw how big of a hit it was at Apocalypse Zombieland that I knew I would want this as a staff after that. This is a great gift if you have someone who loves to rave, love festivals, and everybody wants their own thing when they go to a festival. And don't get me wrong, I definitely saw other people have the Infinity Cubes and they were pretty dope and they were very cool and whatnot, but a lot of them are custom made by themselves and you see that in the quality of it. I like this because it was built to be a staff. It's built to be a totem. It just makes the quality a little bit better on them. It lets you know that like this isn't gonna break on you, things like that. It's small things like that that really makes a difference. Instead of trying to create your own battery pack and things like that, it's great to just have it right here for you. It's a quick and easy thing all together with one click of a button. Go check out the Hyperspace Lighting Company, guys. They have so many other things, but I know for a fact there isn't one raver one wook, one festi goer who would not want this. We all want some kind of statement piece that will get people to gravitate to us. We love the community. That's one of the reasons we go to all these events, right? To get to connect with other people and draw people in. That's the reason that we do it. I love this. It's so much fun. It's so interactive. That's what I like about it too. So go check them out. Let me know what you all thought. Make sure you guys are also going to check out Medusa's medals, because I'm telling you, like I just said, there isn't one raver, one wook, one hippie who wouldn't want both, if not one of these. That's all I got for today, guys. This has been so much fun. It's so crazy. When I go so long without making a video, I forget how much I love doing this. I love doing this for the content. I love doing this for myself, for you all. But this connection is something that I crave when I don't do it. I'm excited to do this 11 more times for the next 11 days to give you all great content. But I'm also excited to do this for the rest of my life. And I really hope that this Christmas season, these videos resonate with you as big as they did last year with everyone else. That was something huge for me. And I'm really looking forward to doing that again. So guys, make sure you are giving this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're also going back and checking out all my old videos, especially last year's. Some of those collections came back this year, which is so dope. A lot of the One Piece stuff came back around, which was so dope. So make sure you guys are checking those out as well. Go look at all of my social medias, because we're coming back with a vengeance, baby. We're going hard from today forward, and I want you all to be part of that journey, all right? If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. Help me get to 100,000 by December of next year. My birthday is December 30th, so in 2 weeks. December 30th, 2025, I want to be at 100,000 subscribers and followers on Instagram. That is our goal. 1 year, 100,000. And I am going to make that happen, but I can only do it with you all. So that can only happen with you all liking, subscribing, hitting that bell, sharing, all of this, because I do it for you all, and I only want to do it better. So as always, guys, show love, support the dream, and spread positivity. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy holidays.